very good morning students. Last class I have explained in exercise self practice 8a. Now we have to solve our self practice 8b. This is also based on the percentage only. So just you see here in the question first it is given find, means we have to find the value of the expression. So here 25% of 32 is given. It means we have to find how much 25% of 32 will be there. So just write down here 25%. In place of percent we have to remove the percent, it will become 100. In place of we have to multiply by multiply. Of means multiply. So in place of just you put here multiply 32. Now just cancel out 25 for the 100 and by 4 it will cancel out 8. So final answer is 8. So 25% of 32 value will be 8. This is the answer. Now in the 8D part, 33 1/3% of 150 how much? Then just you remove the mixed fraction here, then it will become 100 upon 33 upon 100 upon 3, and then in place of percent we have to remove here, then it will become 100 again. Of means multiply 150. So 100 will cancel, and by 3 table you can cancel out, it will become 50. So final answer is 50, means 33 1/3% of 150 will be 50 only. Okay. Now we have to solve G part. 28% of 1225. So in this case also we have to find value of this. So 28 upon 100 into of means multiply 225. Now we will cancel out 7 for the 25 for the. After this we can cancel by this 4 and then it will come 9. So 49 which will come. Just multiply this both, we will get the answer. So 9 7 is 63 carry 6. 7 4 is 28 plus 6 it will come 34. So 3 2 4 3 is the answer. Okay. Now in the question number 2 also same like that. Here rupees is given 10% of how much? Rupees 775. So 10% upon 100, but in place of percent multiply 775. 0 will cancel, so it will come 775 upon 10. Now remove, just we convert into decimal, then it will come 70.5 rupee, means 77.50 paise, like that. Okay, now we are given 45%, and in place of percent just write down here upon 100. In place of multiply 180. So 0 will cancel out. Now we can cancel by 5. 9 5 are 2 5 are. By cancel by 2. So 9 9 9 are 81. So it will become 81 meter. Okay. So this is the final answer. After that 16 3 just you remove this mixed fraction. 16 3 are 48. 48 plus 250 upon 3%. In place of percent just write down here 100 and of means multiply 480 meter. Here, so 0 will cancel out, this 0 also will cancel out. Now by 3 table we can cancel this 48 16 and then multiply 16 into 5, it will become 80 meter. So this is the answer. Okay. Now in the H part 27 1/2, 27.5% is given and 8 meter. So first of all just remove this mixed fraction, it will come 55 upon 2%. In place of percent just write down 100 and of means multiply 8 meter. But question is asking for centimeter. So in 1 meter 100 centimeter is there. So 8 meter 800 centimeter will be there. So 2 will cancel out. By 2 table we can cancel 8 also. And now if we multiply it will come 220 centimeter. So 55 for 220 centimeter. This is the answer. Okay. Now we have to do the question number 3rd. Just you see here, all of you read the question number 3rd here. Word problem is there. So first of all understand the question and then we have to find. We will do same like this only, but just understand the question. Okay. A certain can of iced tea contain 4% of the recommended daily allowance of sodium. The recommended daily allowance is 2500 milligram. So how many milligram of sodium are in the can of iced tea? So total weight of iced T is equal to 2500 milligram. Okay, and percentage of sodium is given. Is given 4%. So again we have to find like this, means 4% of 2500 how much will come. So just like this we have to find weight of mass of sodium. It will come 4/100 into 2500. So 20 will cancel out, it will come 100 milligram. So this is the final answer. Okay, 100 milligram. Now next fourth question, just try yourself. Okay, now we will do question number 5. In a referendum, 68% of the 85,800 voters voted yes and rest voted no. So how many voted no? So we have to find number of voters we have voted no. So for that, just convert like this, question number 5. Here total percent is equal to total percent is equal to 100, and now we have to voted yes percentage equal to 68% is given. So voted no percentage is how much? So we will subtract 100 minus 68, it will come 32%. Okay, now we have to find 32% of this, how much will come. So number of voters who voted no. So for that, 32% of 85,800. So again we will do like this only. So just remove this, 32/100 will come. 32/100 of means multiply 85800, 20 will cancel out. Now we will multiply here 32 into 858. Then it will come how much? Just multiply, you will get the answer. Okay, so we will multiply here 858 by 32. So 8 to the 16, carry 1, 10, 11, carry 1, 16, 17. Again, just 8 3 is 24, carry 2. And now 5 is 15, 15 plus 2, 17, carry again 2, carry 1, and 16, 24, 25. So just you add here 6, here 5 will come, here 4 will come, and here 7, 2. So it will come 27,456. So this much people has voted no. So our 8th we self practice 8 weeks completed. Now in whatever I left the question, just try yourself. Okay, and rest of the next self practice I will explain in the next video. That's all.